Well, good evening, everyone. I'm Joshua Weisel here in the studio taking a look at the additional snowfall on the way. You may have noticed there's a little bit of a lull in the activity across northwest Arkansas, even in portions of the River Valley, but don't get caught off guard. There is additional snow on the way, and we'll break that down here in this segment. So as you can see, this is a large system covering a large portion of the southern and central plains, bringing widespread snowfall across the state. Zooming into northwest Arkansas, you can see that little gap in the activity where it's starting to turn down a little bit in terms of those snowfall activity and totals. But like I said, there's additional snow on the way. So don't be caught off guard. The River Valley, you can see a little bit of a break in the activity in some spots, but additional heavier snowfall is starting to move into the River Valley. And those temperatures still in the 20s, so it's cold, and those travel impacts will continue due to those temperatures and additional snowfall. So far today, here's a look at the totals across the area. And as you can see, the overall highest total that we've seen so far today was in Mena, around 6.5. Fort Smith, around 2 to 3 inches. Starting to see some more reports coming in out of there. Ozark was around 1.5 so far today. So that's what we have in this time, and there's additional snow on the way, so those totals are going to likely be adjusted into the overnight hour. Notice those snow chances go up as we head overnight tonight. So like I said, don't be caught off guard. Additional snow is on the way. River Valley and overnight into northwest Arkansas, we're going to continue to see more snow activity there. Futurecast radar, as you can see, there's a little bit of a lull in the activity for now, but as we head into the later hours of the evening, overnight, more widespread snow starts to move into all of the coverage area. And then early tomorrow morning, it starts to push a little bit further to the east, but it won't make its way out of our area fully until around after the lunch hour and into the early afternoon. So tomorrow night, it's going to be mostly pleasant with those clearing skies, but overall, those travel conditions are going to be persistent because those temperatures are going to be in the 20s, and that additional snowfall will help add to those deteriorating traffic conditions. So be mindful that we still will likely have impacts through tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then even we could see maybe some additional impacts overnight into early Saturday when some of that starts to melt, and then it turns into more of ice on the roadways when we see that start to melt and then it refreezes. So there's going to be travel impacts over the next 48 hours roughly. So we're going to make sure that we're keeping a close eye on all this and letting you know the latest with the forecast and those travel impacts. So keep it here with 5 News. Thank you for tuning in to this evening update.